Hello, friends. How are you all? Hope you're fine in this pandemic also, and your family is safe as well. Thank you so much for your support. We have received so much comments, emails from your end. We're so happy and prosperous because of this and all. So here today we'll discuss about what is next after your 10th standard. This video is exclusively for 10th standard students of Tamil Nadu State Board. We have also covered some of the areas on a general basis for CBSE board also. Let's see everything in detail. As you know, like after 10th standard, this career is most important. So whatever the courses you take after your 10th standard determines your career on a larger basis. And also, I believe that you have already discussed with your friends, family, but we'll see in a very in a brief manner. If you have any doubts, also you can ask me in the comment sections, or you can even mail me also. So let's go all these in detail also. So first thing is about like after your 10th standard, you can either go for your higher education or you can go for the job also. So we'll see what is higher education, what are the possibilities you have, and what are the job opportunities you have. So first thing is about your intermediate, your polytechnic, ITI, vocational courses, short-term courses. And after that, you have two main groups in your 11th and 12th standard. The group which we're discussing about a science group, the other is about the arts group. You can see all these subjects here. I'll tell you what are the subjects are important here. So the group 1 and group 2, group 3, group 4 in the science, and similarly in the arts sections, you will see what are the options you will have after taking this. So first of all, for science background, for your science field and all, engineering you can have options. Second is about your medical. For engineering, you can take your group 1 and group 3, which is exclusively like your English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and English, mathematics, physics, computer science, along with the language. And for your medical and paramedical, group 2 and group 4 is important. Now, what is group 2 and group 4? That you have to take your physics, chemistry, biology, or chemistry, biology, and home sciences. Fine. Let's go with your major things. After your 12th standard, what are the important courses you have in engineering? The major exams I have shared here. There is MHT, CET, IIT, B.Ed, Triple E. So you will have options to take computer science, information technology, EC, mechanical, civil, Triple E. Other major important courses also, which you can go through in detail over your search. If you have still doubt, you can ask us. And after that, you will have medical courses. The top course here is about the MBBS and your BDS, your dental part. And apart from that, if you want to go other alternative medicines also, you have Ayurveda, Unani, homeopathy, and other stuff also. In this, you have to give your very major exam is a NEET. It's a central government exam. Only after clearing that, you can take the MBBS All India seats across Indian medical schools. Then you have your allied health sciences also, which is 2 to 3 years courses, depending upon the things you want to take up. So B Pharm, which is a very exclusive course here, like all your big medical pharmacist companies like NetMeds, HealthCard, and you have your MedPlus and all, and your local pharmacy people. So these people are taken by B pharmacist. So what is B Pharm here? The people are involved in drugs, there's medicines and all. So these people help you, assist you in terms of giving medicines also. There are other important courses also. The top courses apart from that is nursing. So nursing is about BSc in nursing, which is a very good course for females. You can take big hospitals like Apollo, other Mayotte and all here as a job after your course, CMC also. If not, you can go for Gulf and Saudi countries also. Yeah, there are important courses also I've discussed here, which you can see it out. Then paramedical courses. So paramedical exclusively are the major technicians who assist doctors, who assist nurses also in terms of handling big machines in the hospitals. Let it be a dialysis, like you have a kidney problem, go for dialysis treatment. So these are the things which has been monitored by these people who take paramedical courses. So you have several technicians, assistants and all. Based on your choice, interest, you can take up these courses. And after the polytechnic, this you can take after 10th standard itself, which is a 3-year courses. Exactly similar pattern with engineering, wherein you have options to take computer science, IT, civil, mechanical. It is considered as diploma courses. So after 3 years course, you can go directly for job also. If not, you can take engineering also, where you will have options to go directly for the second year in the engineering. Next, we'll see ITI course. I hope like everybody know of these courses, like 2-year courses, where you have options to take like electrician, carpenter, welder, paint technology, plumber. So these are the supporting people for the engineering background, industrial backgrounds and all. As the name itself suggests, that Industrial Training Institute. And for that, there's a good test AITT that you can take up also for the getting into big colleges. And short-term courses, if you're interested in doing some computer courses, animations, some doing web part, web designing and all, no? You have specific courses also, diploma and certificate courses. And the trending course right now which is going on is the SEO, which is search engine optimization in the digital marketing field, which will be booming after your pandemic also, during pandemic also. And there's a vocational courses also, which can be taken by after 10th standard. Like you can take these exclusive banking courses, financial courses for if you want to have a job in banking. If you want to go into media industries like printing and all, you can have a 1 year course, and insurance and marketing and all. And apart from that, you will have, if you love traveling, there's a course for traveling also, 2 year courses. If you want to be a teacher, you have a 2 year courses also. And hotel operations, dental technicians also, you can take up the courses. And apart from all these things, are the major jobs which you can go after your 10th standard also. These are the government jobs, defense examination, which is highly booming in India every time. There is a craze for defense examinations, Indian Army, if you want to work on land, Indian Air Force, if you want to fly, Indian Navy, which you want to work on the sea level also. And apart from that, you will have CRPF, which is a reserve police force, if you feel that you want to go and serve in our internal police forces. And you have border security, BSF also, which like it is in the borders, these people stay up all the time and secure the country also, apart from all these other defense forces. And finally, you have staff selection commission also, where you can go for state and central examinations if you want to be an inspectors. This exam will help you also. And finally, like the arts and science courses, which you can take after your 12th standard. So BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, other arts and science courses. So BA, for that you will have basically you need to take language as a subject. But for BSc, if you want to exclusively in physics, BSc physics, BSc maths, BSc chemistry or biology and all, you have to have those subjects compulsory in your 11th and 12th standard. And BCom, obviously, you should have your accountancy, commerce. That is, you have to take the commerce and accountancy course in your 11th and 12th standard. Only then you are allowed to go for that, along with your mathematics. And BBA, again, as a business subject, so again, you should have your commerce background along with your mathematics. And finally, other arts and science courses as per your requirement and your interest. And fine, thank you so much, students. We would like to request you to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel, and most importantly, don't forget to hit the bell icon for any future important update also. Still, if you have any questions, doubt, you can comment. And still, if you feel like, again, apart from that, you can even drop a mail to us, which is saranadask@gmail.com. We'll happy to mail you and revert you on this topic also. But if you still feel that you want to have a detailed video on specific subject or a specific course, you can still mail us or put your comment down. And please share this video to your family, to your friends, so that they should have an idea about this. Fine. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.